Pharmacy website templates with Divi. We're exploring 2 fantastic pharmacy e-commerce website templates using Divi. We'll look at 1 premium and 1 free option to help you build a professional online pharmacy.
Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough.
First up is the Pharmacy Child theme from the Divi Marketplace, priced at $39. Let's dive into the live demo to see what it offers. The homepage opens with a powerful hero section, perfect for highlighting promotions like the Deal of the Week. It immediately builds trust with icons for free shipping, secure payments, and online support, followed by a well-organized grid of featured products to showcase your best sellers. The template includes multiple sections for promotions, like hot deals with a countdown timer and specialized safety categories to direct customers to essential items. Build social proof with an elegant testimonial slider, allowing you to feature glowing reviews from satisfied customers. Finally, the design includes a prominent newsletter sign-up form to capture leads and a comprehensive footer with all necessary contact and account information. Now, let's check out the free pharmacy landing page layout, which comes included with your Divi subscription. This template greets visitors with a clean, professional hero section that clearly states its purpose. The call to action buttons guide users to shop for medicines or explore key services. It features a dedicated, personalized pharmacy section with a user login, making it easy for returning customers. It also highlights essential services like clinic visits and immunizations. The layout continues to impress with more service-oriented features, such as automatic refills and family management, adding significant value for your customers. Drive sales with a bold promotional banner and build credibility with a Trusted by Doctors section that showcases partner brands. The template also includes more product grids and a clean, modern footer with a subscription form, ensuring you have everything needed to launch your online store.
If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.